name is Patrick Madigan. I'm Assistant Vice President for Underwriting at Unitrin Kemper Auto Home. Kemper Auto Home is a personal lines only insurer. We are in 40 states in the U.S., just about $994 million in written premium, and we distribute our products through independent agents. The thing that pushed Kemper Auto Home to look at business rules management primarily was automating our underwriting rules and pushing that automation out to our agent's office in real time at point of sale, so the agents would have a real underwriting decision with the customer sitting across the table from them. We wanted to partner with a company that actually had experience building business rules and that could guide us through the process, because we did not have the experience in-house to do it. One of the real benefits of Blaze Advisor is the fact that we do have business people in the underwriting department managing our rules and managing the promotion of our rules into code. We don't compete for IT resources. There's the natural back and forth between the regional underwriting managers and the home office staff on whether we should implement a rule or not. That's more of a business decision. Once we make the decision to implement that rule, the folks in the home office team that manage it, the business folks, they code the rule, they test the module, and the rule fires as intended. When we first implemented Blaze to automate our underwriting rules, part of that was pushing it out to our agent web portal, Right Price Web, so the agents have real-time underwriting decisions. When our agents come into Right Price Web and they're quoting a customer or potential customer, all of our rules, logic, our scorecards, and our underwriting rules are applied in real time. We actually incorporate insurance bureau scores, driving records from MVRs, loss history from Clue Report, and actually with our latest scorecard we incorporate property risk characteristics from our replacement cost tool. All of that's fed into the system. The underwriting is done automatically, and the agent knows what tier that policy is in, what the price is, and they know that it's already been underwritten. Once the agents have the premium from our Right Price Web, the policy has already been underwritten. If the customer is happy with that premium, then the agent has the binding authority to issue that policy. The agent's time is worth money. With our underwriting rules right out at point of sale, the agent is confident that the majority of the times that price won't change and that policy will be accepted. We've actually seen increases in quote counts and increases in new business because the agents know that the policy's already been underwritten. The other piece is really speed. With the implementation of the rules engine, we used to pend our policies and we didn't actually issue paper until the underwriter had reviewed the policy. When we implemented the rules engine and we put it out at point of sale, we removed that pen feature. So once the agent issues the policy, it's really just a matter of going through our print process. So customers will get their policies in a matter of days rather than weeks. Implementing the rules engine changed the nature of the job for the underwriter at Kemper Auto Home. We moved to an exception-based process. Prior to implementing the Blaze rules engine, our underwriters reviewed all new business that came through. So they were 100% review. With our latest scorecards and our latest rules, the underwriters are looking somewhere between 25 and 30% depending on the state. So that allows the underwriters to step back a level when they're analyzing agent performance, rather than trying to manage overall book performance on a transaction level by recognizing a number of transactions that have come through for an agency. They monitor reports so they can see percentages of certain characteristics in the book that will indicate profitability. We are definitely pricing the risk more appropriately. Once we implemented the rules logic and automated that, we have cleaner data, and we've been able to expand actually our segmentation. We started with a 6-tier program when we first implemented. Through analyzing all the data that comes out of the tool and through better decisions, we actually have implemented a 48-tier structure on our auto program. We consulted with Fair Isaac to build our homeowner scorecard, and through that process we learned how to build the scorecards in the Blaze tool. And from there, our pricing group and our actuaries actually build our scorecards. So we're probably on our 5th or 6th version of our scorecards internally. Fair Isaac did help us understand how rules logic worked in the insurance industry. That was one of the reasons that we selected Fair Isaac to work with initially with our initial project. And as the project lead through that project, I've said it many times, that the analytics group certainly earned their money answering all of my questions and explaining things over and over again from different angles to explain it to me and to convince me why we needed to go a certain direction. So actually they were very good. The project we're working on right now with Blaze Advisor is to externalize the policy administration rules out of our mainframe. Our IT group has actually been working over the last year to move all of those rules out of the mainframe into Blaze Advisor to help us support Right Price Web, so we are not tied to the mainframe from a policy administration level.